move on to number 13 here. Clearing out the scratch work, we've got yet another Desmos special. I just put this right in here, but do recognize that you can't put f of x. You're just going to change that f of x into a y, so y is going to be set equal to x squared minus 48x plus 2304. So I'm going to have to zoom out a bit to find it, but eventually I will discover, there it is. There's my minimum. Zoom in a bit just to get to a point where I can see it. And when you get close to it, it should kind of highlight itself. And our minimal value of the function, meaning the f of x solution here, is going to be the y coordinate of 1728. Again, you could type it in, or you could use the keypad to key it in. Nothing more to see here. No reason to do this manual calculation through technical algebra either. We put in our correct answer just using Desmos. We make quick work of number 13 here.